In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete horizontal line in Microsoft Word. Horizontal lines sometimes appear in a Word document when you type certain characters, such as 3 dashes, underscores, or equal signs, and then press Enter. Microsoft Word automatically converts those characters into a formatted horizontal line. While this feature can be useful in some cases, it could also be confusing when the line appears unexpectedly and seems difficult to remove. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the simple process of removing those horizontal lines so you can keep your document clean and properly formatted. First, open the Microsoft Word document where the horizontal line appears. Take a moment to locate the line you want to remove. In many cases, the horizontal line is actually part of the paragraph border rather than a separate object, which is why simply pressing the Delete key may not remove it. To remove the line, place your cursor in the paragraph directly above the horizontal line. Once your cursor is positioned there, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the Word window. In the Paragraph group, look for the Borders button. This button usually appears as a small square divided into 4 sections. Click the Borders button to open the drop-down menu that contains several border options. In that list, select the option labeled No Border. As soon as you click this option, the horizontal line should immediately disappear from your document. If the line still remains, try placing your cursor in the paragraph just below the line and repeat the same process. Sometimes, the border is applied to the paragraph underneath it rather than the one above it, so applying the No Border option to the correct paragraph will remove it. Another helpful tip is to prevent these automatic lines from appearing in the future. If you frequently experience this issue, you can disable the automatic border feature in Word's autocorrect settings. This will stop Word from converting typed characters into horizontal lines automatically. And that's all there is to it. By adjusting the paragraph border settings, you can quickly remove unwanted horizontal lines and maintain better control over your document's formatting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.